company. So we Square Yards is a global property aggregators. We presence in 40 cities in India and 11 plus countries across the globe. So we have more than 40,000 plus happy customers. Okay, so whom we are serving since last 6 7 years time. So we have tie up with all tier one, tier two builders globally. So we are not only into primary sales. We have recently acquired a company called Azuro, which is the largest like a secondary sales and rental in Mumbai. So now we are expanding our business into secondary sale and rental also across all these locations. So we have a good number of customers, like customer base where we can able to serve. So about like we have tie up with all tier one, tier two builders like Godrej, Salapuria, uh, Prestige, Shobha, like MR Properties, like DLF, and many more. So we have this session is exclusive for a project called Salapuria Park Ubex. I'll just give you some information about Salapuria. Salapuria is there in the industry since last 3 decades, and they have executed almost 114 projects on commercial and residential segment. So they are very familiar in Bangalore on integrated township. They're very familiar. They have so many commercial buildings, commercial complexes, IT parks, and all. So wherever Salapuria is setting up their like buildings, so that's going to be a landmark in many of the Bangalore locations. And today's scenario, like Salapuria has executed, like as I said, 114 projects, which is around 25, 30 million square feet. And upcoming is more than like around 30-35 million square feet. They have upcoming projects across Bangalore and other locations. So they are present in almost 8 cities, 8 different cities, and also they have a headquartered in Bangalore. So in tier one, like in Bangalore, the topmost builder among them, top five builders. So in that, Salapuria is one among the topmost builder. So like about this payment plan, like what are we going to offer you, where to invest, what to invest, and how to invest, and what is the offer and what is the benefit you are going to get in this next 30 minutes. I request each one of you to give a complete focus. So what is the benefit you are going to get, how this benefit is useful, so why you have to invest, what you have to invest, and where you have to invest, and what is the return on investment. So I will I'll hand over the session to Mr. Satish, who is a senior portfolio manager with Square Yards. So he's with the Square Yards since last 3 years, and he's an expert in real estate since last 10 years. He's into real estate industry, and he has seen many ups and downs. He has seen many schemes. He has seen many offers. But as per Satish, as per like industry analysis, we never come across an offer like this ever before. So today, whatever the situation, everybody we are working from home. We never thought we will work from home in some time, but same time we're offering some exclusive offers, exclusive benefit, and we will give you the complete calculation how on your investment, what is the return you are getting, how do you get that return. So on what basis we are giving this analysis, on what basis we are giving that numbers, figures, everything. We will take you through in next 30 minutes time. So post 30 minutes time, if you any of you wanted to book the property, or if you any one of you have any questions, please go ahead. So you have another like last 10 minutes or 6 to 10 minutes time. We will be having a FAQ sessions. So Satish, over to you. Please take further.
Thank you, Mubarak. Good evening, everyone. My name is Satish. Actually, as Mubarak said, I am a senior, portfolio manager in Square Yards. So I'm just talking when going to talk about this 1090 scheme. I am aware that situation around us is not favor, and we are under the corona pandemic and everything. In the share market, your FD rates, your gold prices, everything we are seeing in the negative trend. So keeping this situation in the mind, as we are aware that that every adversity comes with some opportunities. So we as Square Yards, being associated with major Cat A developers, we could able to do this kind of transformation from normal sales to digital sales in last 20 plus days in the lockdown period. And in last in this 20-24 days, we could able to crack more than 1,600 unit sale, which no one believed that it is possible selling real estate over in the digital form. So, but we made it happen just because of the trust what customers had, and there are some kind of negotiations we could able to bring to the customers from the developer side, trusting our association with them for a longer period. So I am going to talk about one such development which is there in North Bangalore. And as Mubarak mentioned, the project is from Salarpuria Satwa, a well-known brand in market, and they have more than 30 years plus legacy, and they have delivered 100 plus projects already with commercial and residential. So we are going to introduce you with a brand and best location. Why investment? When it comes to investment, especially investment in real estate, something that we need to look at is the location. We need to look at the brand and look at about that particular development and micro market. Consider all this. Trust me, this is one such project, one such location, one such micro market where your investment is going to give you an appreciation not less than 250%. You may not believe this. I am reiterating. Yes, whatever you are hearing from me is correct. It is 250% of appreciation possible with this 1090 scheme. So I will just give you the difference between normal scheme and 1090 scheme. How the 1090 scheme, as you as an investor, how it will be benefited, and what kind of guarantee that it gives you in investment of such money, which in turn will give you so much huge returns in coming 1.5 to 2 years time. So I am going with some actual figures and with actual examples. So what we are going to give you an option of investment, keeping all this, as I mentioned, entire world is in recession and in a mode of negative. So this is some kind of race of hopes when people are still wanted to invest, but it is not right time to invest in shares, or not right time to invest in bonds, mutual funds. But this is a right time to invest on something called a tangible asset, that when most of us we have trusted and we have come across about the real estate. Why real estate? Whenever you go with the real estate investment, when you have chosen a right brand, when you have chosen a right location, when you know that there is a micro market which is going to develop, that is where your investment is safe and will give you the guaranteed returns. So why that investment should be in somewhere which is in a developing area? Why not in the already developed area? See friends, whenever you invest your money, when the market which is already saturated, the chances of you getting growth out of it is very, very minimal. When you invest in the location is upcoming, which is flourishing, which is coming up with lot of employment, which is coming with lot of developments, industries, everything for that matter. Considering this in Bangalore, I think most of you are aware and you will agree with me saying that North Bangalore is one such direction which will give you huge return, considering your past records as well as future predictions. So when we consider the last 7-8 years growth in North Bangalore, which has averagely given us somewhere around 12 to 15% growth in real estate. So considering this, the project which we are going to give you as an exclusive option, along with the association with this particular CATE developer Salarpuria Satwa Group, and this is a beautiful opportunity for us to invest some small amount which will give us huge return, even though the entire situation is not favor to anything. So let me come back with some actual figures and I'll tell you how your investment. When I said, yes, you heard me right, I will prove it that 250% of appreciation is possible. It is possible. The way I will go take these figures and I will give you the example, I will represent the actual facts. So I am going to give you an option of investment starts from 4 lakhs rupees, could be 6 lakhs rupees or something more than that. Let us take an example of 6 lakhs rupees investment. What this investment is against. This 1090 is specifically mentioning what is 10, what is 90. 10 is what you are going to pay, 90 is what you are going to pay at the end of the possession, the property. And when it comes to property, when we are discussing, 1090 schemes works like this. You are going to buy a property which is worth 60 lakhs rupees, and your investment as per 1090 scheme is going to be 6 lakhs rupees only. And this 6 lakhs rupees what you are paying now, and we are giving you under this 1090 scheme, we and the builder in association, we have designed this particular scheme called there is a holiday payment period for the investor. See, normally what happens in a construction linked payment plan, when you wanted to buy an apartment which is already 80+ percentage of construction is completed, the same kind of project which we are offering you now, which is already 86% construction is completed. So when it comes to 86% completion project, if you want to buy any apartment or invest anything in this society, you are supposed to release that 86% of demand from either from your side or from the bank. So here in this 1090 scheme, that is where you are getting the benefit. Now you need not go for the bank loan. This will avoid you paying the interest on your money which has been disbursed by the bank towards your property purchase to the developer. Let us assume your 6 lakhs rupees is not for only 6 lakhs rupees investment. This investment is against 60 lakhs property because you are getting 90% payment later. That means you are going to invest for 60 lakhs worth property by just giving 6 lakhs rupees. I will consider the percentage which I discussed in the beginning, saying that 12 to 15% next 1 year and 1.5 years going forward. Why I will consider this 15% growth for next 1.5 years? Just because we are giving you this 1090 scheme under that understanding, saying that you are not going to pay any money after this 10% till 18 months to the developer, neither from the bank or from your own funding. So that is what we call it as a payment holiday period, where we can take lot of advantage out of this 1090 scheme, where you can appreciate your investment with 250%. Let me go with the actual figures. So I want your undivided attention for a few minutes. Please, if possible, please note down these figures, what I am telling. So now you are going to buy a property worth 60 lakhs rupees. Could be for today, we have just 50,000 rupees and a blocking amount, which will ensure you that this 1090 scheme is applicable for you. How we designed this 1090 scheme? Again, we have kept something for today, that you are going to get some discounted price if anyone takes decides it on today. So today we have extra 200 rupees special discount, which could be worth of 2 lakhs rupees when you are investing for 6 lakhs rupees. So one by one, I'm going to tell you about this. Now your investment is 6 lakhs rupees for 60 lakhs property in 2020 April. So I will consider the appreciation of 15% happening in next 1 year. That is by 2021 April, your property of 60 lakhs worth is equal to 69 lakhs rupees. That means for next 1 year, you are going to get 15% appreciation, not on your 6 lakhs investment, but on the total cost of the property which you have purchased. So that is where this project, payment plan is creating something, which is very special. So now you consider your 15% growth not on your 6 lakhs but on your 60 lakhs worth property. So that is where you are getting 9 lakhs rupees appreciation in 1 year. If I consider the same 15% growth for next half year, that is 7.5%. The property value of 60 lakhs which you have purchased in 2020 April would be worth of 75 lakhs in October 2021. Why I am taking October 2021? Just because we are giving you 18 months of payment holiday period, which ends on October 2021. That's the reason we are saying 18 months from now, you will not have to apply a bank loan. You will not have to pay any interest. Let me consider, if at all, if you are going for a normal scheme, how much interest you are going to pay in next 18 months for the property which you are buying now, which will come to possession after 18 months. Assume you are buying a property of 60 lakhs rupees. You will pay 10% as agreement amount. Balance 80%, whatever 70%, which is balance of out of 80%. 10% you are paid from your pocket, and 70% has to be from the bank loan. Let's calculate 70% of 80 lakhs rupees. That is 56 lakhs. 60 lakhs rupees will be 42 lakhs rupees, which bank will release to the developer against the level of construction which is completed by the developer. So here your 40 lakhs rupees at the rate of interest, I will consider 8% for the simple understanding purpose. There might be some variation in the interest rate. Now let us assume that it is 8% per annum is the interest. Then your monthly interest, if you divide 8 by 12 months, so that will be 0.75% per month is the interest what you are going to pay on 42 lakhs rupees, which will be easily not less than 32,000 rupees. When your bank has released this 42 lakhs to the developer, you are forced to pay 32,000 rupees per month as interest for next 18 months, where you are not going to stay there or lose that property. So here we are giving you that lenience not to pay that interest or not to even to commit for any loan till 18 months, and builder will consider this property is yours and the agreement will happen in 10% only. So how this, by 2021, 75 lakhs. Now I will show you the profit. Now I will show you the growth, what I have told you that where that 250% comes from. So now you have bought a property on 2000, in the year 2020 of 60 lakhs, worth is 75 lakhs in 2021 October. Okay. So now you deduct 75 lakhs minus 60 lakhs. That 15 lakhs is the appreciation in the property cost, which you will getting, because it is appreciation which you can enjoy it only by investing 6 lakhs rupees. What we have invested, what was the outflow? Only 6 lakhs rupees. So what was the profit or appreciation between 60 lakhs to 75 lakhs? 15 lakhs rupees. That is where I consider the 6 lakhs rupees investment. When you are getting an appreciation of 50 lakh, it will be 250% of appreciation. Now I will ask Mubarak to justify to this was, I told you this on considering the actual appreciation happened last 7 years as per, the government, rate appreciation, revision, everything, 12 to 15%. I think Mubarak now will explain why this 250% is possible, why this calculation can come to the reality, and what are all those factors which will give you that level of confidence. Yes, this my 6 lakhs rupees investment will definitely fetch me 15 lakhs profit. I think Mubarak, over to you. You can explain the micro market. You can explain about this particular project, society, development, commutation, nearest places. Over to you, Mubarak. Yeah, any doubts regarding this? Yes.
Come back.
Yeah. As Satish was discussing about 1090 plan, so I'll just brief you about the location. This property is located. This property is located at Devenahalli from the NH 207. It is just 2 kilometers away from NH 207. So the property is in Devenahalli town. It was Hoskote main road. So the road is connecting from Devenahalli to Hoskote, the upcoming satellite township ring road. So the property is on that location. And this property is totally 18 acres of land parcel. In that 18 acres of land parcel, the 14.5 acres is open space. So in that 18 acres, they are coming up with 1600 apartments. So they have 1 BHK, they have 2 BHK, they have 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK. So and in this 18 acres, they are also coming up with a mall. With they have already, the MOU has been already signed with Inox. They are across 7 screens of multiplex is also coming up. This is the first mall is coming near Devenahalli, near airport. So this is the first mall. So definitely it will attract most of the customers locating in that surrounding location, 10 to 15 kilometer radius, and it will you can find a lot of footfall also. So I believe wherever the footfall is coming, so that is going to be a landmark for the future development, and that going to be a landmark for the complete development of that particular location. And the second thing is, this property has 2 clubhouses, 2 big clubhouses. One clubhouse is Gold Leaf. It is 32,000 square feet. Another clubhouse is called as Crystal, so which is 17,000 square feet. So this is a G2 basement plus ground floor plus 14 floors structure building. So the present situation is the 80% of the project is completed. So now the superstructure is ready, the plastering is ready, the interior work is ready. Now they are doing some plumbing and electrical work and the fixtures and fittings they are working on it. So today's scenario, this property is located just 7 kilometers away from the airport, which is which is international airport back gate, like terminal 2, and 10 kilometers away from if you go travel from to NH 207. And from this property, around Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board is just 7 kilometers away. So Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board is going to be a biggest IT hub, aerospace hub, hardware hub, and financial city, because it is totally 3,000 acres. In that 3,000 acres of land parcel, so aerospace and design has been allotted around 750 acres. ITES around 1,200 acres. Hardware park is allotted for around 500 acres, and financial city is around 200-300 acres has been allotted. So the complete location, like from airport around 30-kilometer radius, the complete location has been approved by BIAPA, like a Bangalore International Airport Authority. So completely, it has been designed where like a commercial segment has to come, where IT segment has to come, like everything has been designed. And what is the like water challenges, and what is the water planning, and everything is planned now, like as on date. Okay, so this Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board is going to create at least 2 to 3 lakh employment opportunities in next 2 to 3 years time. So, like that is the biggest employment. That is the biggest, going to be a biggest hub, like Whitefield, Electronic City, and Outer Ring Road. Because Whitefield, Electronic City, and Outer Ring Road is completely saturated. Only because of that, I have complete documentation about this KIDB 3,000 acres, how it has been allotted to different segments, different SEZs. 1,200 acres has been allotted to ITES company. Recently, SAP has acquired 42 acres of land parcel there. And in this present situation, there are 50 companies are working in that location. In that 50 companies, the topmost company is Shell. Shell is having around 3,000 employees working, like 1,500 scientists and 1,500 as a normal employees. So Shell has two R&D center globally. One is in US, another is in India. In India, it is in Bangalore. In Bangalore, it is in North Bangalore near Devanahalli. So from Shell, this property is 7 kilometers. And in this property, like 60%, 40 to 60% of the inventory has been purchased by Shell employees only. So this is going to be like a biggest landmark for North East Bangalore, because it's like Salapuria is going with a lot of amenities, lot of like it's a mall also is coming, and you can see a lot of retail, commercial building, and also. And about, if I talk about the micro, like social infrastructure. So social infrastructure, there are 33 schools surrounded by this project in the radius of 10 to 15 kilometers. There are 13 colleges in the radius of 10 to 15 kilometers. There are malls, 4 malls are there. It's in the radius of 15 to 20 kilometers. There are hospitals, like around 10 hospitals are there in the radius of 10 to 15 kilometers. So you have all the social infrastructure. You have development work there. You have upcoming mall in that property itself. And you have basic amenities, like lifestyle amenities. One of the best amenities you have in this unique amenities, if I say, they have a organic farming, they have a barbecue sports zone, they have like a football ground, they have 2 clubhouses, and you have multiple like swimming pool and many things. So about if I talk about the micro market about this location, there are many builders have almost, there are 100 and more builders has coming up in that location, surrounded by around 10 to 12 kilometer radius. So topmost property, if I talk about, is Brigade, Prestige, and Godrej. So Brigade, Prestige, and Godrej, they have launched the project just last year and this year. So Brigade is selling at the rate of 2 BHK at the rate of like 4,500 rupees per square feet basic selling price. It will go up to 4,800, 4,900 rupees as a basic selling price. So whereas if I talk about the Prestige, it is starting from 4,500, it is going up to 4,800. And Godrej, so it is 3,900 to 4,400 rupees. So all these properties are going to complete in 4 years, 5 years time. 4 years, 5 years time. Here, whatever investment you are doing, so in next 18 months, you can liquidate this, disposing your property. So as I said, Square Yards not only into primary sales, we are also in secondary sales. We are also into like rental. We are also into home loan. Will help all our customer. It's an end-to-end service. So from like searching of the property till you get the property, till your registration, till you want to rent it out property, till you want to sell the property, resell the property, we Square Yards is the best place to do that. And over and above, like you will get like all our customers will get dedicated relationship manager who will be assisting you like 24/7 till the possession of your property. So any point of time, any challenge, any queries required, we can help you out. And this moment, so the benefit, like I think Satish had given you clear picture how your property what is the investment you have to do, and how this appreciation will be done. So based on that kind of infrastructure, social infrastructure, the kind of employment opportunities, I just talked about only KIDB. If I talk about Bangalore International BIAL Economic Zone, so which is in the foothills of Nandi Hills, away from this property towards Hyderabad road. So there is a 12,000 acres has been acquired by government of Karnataka. So there multiple ITES like manufacturing industrial segment is coming up. Okay, and also near to airport it is around 560 acres of land parcel has been acquired, which is going to be airport city, where you can find malls, you can find the hospital.
Hi, we are not able to hear you.
Satish, over to you.
but-
Please continue. Mubarak का network issue आ गया. Continue.
Okay. I think some
last 5 minutes.
problem with network. Yeah,
Last 5 minutes.
yeah. Mubarak was talking about the micro market. Yes, whatever he has mentioned about KEADB development in 3,000 acres, and he was talking about international airport. I think if everyone knows that there is around Terminal 2 launched that has added another 15,000 employment. Now currently, the international airport has 40,000 employment. Why this is very compared to all other developers, the advantage investing in this is because this property is going to be completed in next 1.5 to 2 years, whereas all other competitions will have their completion only after 4 to 5 years. So whatever now, since already KEADB started and there are so many other developments, if I wanted to talk about, there is a one more, Embassy has developed Manyata Tech Park in 94 acres. Same Embassy is coming up with the Embassy Knowledge Park in 204 acres, which is in Airport Road beside your ITC factory. That will again add 2 to 3 lakhs employment. And, Devnalli Business Tech Park is coming up. And Narsapura Industrial Area, you know that you are all automobile and your, pharmaceutical companies are situated in Narsapura and the Hoskote Industrial Area. Your commutation towards east, commutation towards west, commutation towards, your central Bangalore is very, very easy. And since still metro is also sanctioned till the airport, I think in next 2 to 3 years, metro should be operational till airport. There is a demo train which is already planned from till Devnalli town. So if you look at any other directions, North Bangalore, about the roads, you have wide roads and commutation will be very, very easy. So this is a one thing that we are assuring you that yes, there is a demand for this project. Why? Because this would be the future address. And you are going to invest in a society which has all amenities like commercial, retail, and residential in one layout, and which is very close to international airport. That is an added advantage. Why? Because all other developers in and around 30 kilometers radius from airport, they are selling their projects just highlighting which is near to airport for quoting more than 1 CR, 1.5 CR for 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Luckily, we have this particular project, which is just 7 minutes drive from international airport. This is an extra added advantage compared to all other development. I think from Hebbal, from Kyarpuram, from Budigere Cross, from till Yelanka, or take Dodbalapura, everybody says which is near to airport, which is near to airport. But fortunately, this is very, very close to airport, and this is the one USP that you can expect. And KEADB being so many employment is getting created. I know all this will add definitely a huge demand for this residential, development. Again, Cat A developers like Salarpuria Satwa Group.
Satish, talk
So,
about 1090 and the offers for today. Last
yes,
4 minutes.
I would like to. I have already discussed about 1090 plan. I think once this, call gets over, I think our relationship manager, from whoever contacted you earlier, will again come to you. If any questions you have further, definitely we will discuss one to one. If any some questions you have before this session ends, you can ask with me.
Yeah, I have a question. My name is Naveen. I'm
Yes.
from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So this
Naveen,
project, what you are saying is today at 85% is already completed. Okay?
Yes, sir. 85% construction is done. Yes.
Yeah, and you are saying that in 18 months, the rest 15% will take. Is it on a specific on hold mode, or will it be? Does it usually
Sir,
takes that much time?
No. Sir, I'll tell you the RERA date is 2022 March. So any time the developer will keep a 6 months buffer for the RERA date, because keeping that penalty, everything in the mind. So looking at the current development, construction development, Builder is confident of handing it over this possession by 2021 October. That is where we are also giving you in that between October 2021 to March 2022, any month you will see this possession will be complete.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
the
sorry,
other
like I'm got disconnected. Like as per Satish was
It's
telling,
okay, it's
October
okay.
2020, October 2021, as per builder communication, so builder is telling that by June 2021 itself they are going to hand over. So we have taken
But since
another 4 months. Yeah,
since
Okay,
we have already
continue,
given
Satish.
you that payment holiday of 18 months, you as an investor, nothing to worry. Early would also
okay,
be okay, but you will not be disturbed for payment till 2021.
yeah, understood. Yeah, I have another question. So when we reach
Yes.
possession time, the 60 lakhs or
Yeah.
whatever is the price, so we still have to mandatorily pay by one spot payment, or can we pursue bank loan at that point in time?
You can. I mean, you are talking about 90% payment, right?
Yes.
I will clear it for everyone's benefit. I'll tell you, sir. Now you have to pay 50,000 rupees to block the unit. Within 1 week time, you have to pay 5%. Within 45 to 60 days, you have to pay another 5%. There, your 10% will be get completed. Then you will get a holiday period of 18 months. No builder or anyone will ask you for the payment. Once this 18 months complete, then you have your own choice to either to pay from your own source or from the bank loan, which you can decide either part from bank loan. If you have partial payment, you pay to developer, whatever shortage, you take it as a bank loan. That is your decision is yours, sir.
All the banks,
Okay.
including SBI, every bank has been through the process.
And they are confident of applying OC also by October, so that you will not have any challenge with banks offering you the funding. All the banks will offer. And since this is a RERA project with developer like Salarpuria Satwa, you will not find any banks rejecting your request.
All approvals on place. So all legal challenges, all legalities, everything on place. So it is like Salarpuria is one of the topmost developer in Bangalore.
Mubarak, Satish.
Why we also confidently speak? Why we confidently speak? Because they have already history, sir. They are 30 years old company. They have delivered 100+ units. This is not something which is very new to them. So you can rest assured that whatever it is been there in the papers, all will be get satisfied.
Okay, that sounds good. And
Any questions further?
This 60 lakhs, whatever you have taken an example, does that belong to what size
Yes,
of property are you talking? I mean, is it like
sir,
single bedroom?
it is for a 2 BHK size, sir. I said also 4 lakhs rupees could be 1 BHK. It comes at around 40 lakhs budget. 2 BHK at 60 lakhs budget, around 80 lakhs